Greetings. 30 days living in my car, March 29th. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Currently snowed in. I know a lot of you guys are enjoying springtime, but yeah, I'm about to start my car up and defrost this craziness. But yeah, just woke up like this. But I think it's like 30 some degrees. Might be like 32 degrees, so it's actually pretty warm. Still in my sleeping bag. Yeah, at least feels good to not be frozen. My water is not frozen. Help. Help me. Oh shit. Hey, so I just left the gym, did like an hour of cardio, still in like some light warm-up walks, still like a nice like 1 hour walk, still trying to break in my 5 fingers, and did some light jogging as well. Yeah, still snowing, gonna try and camp out somewhere so I don't have to drive much till when I work at 4. Wow, it is terrible outside. The sad thing is that, you know, it's the warmest it's been in months. It's like anywhere from 34 to 36 degrees, but we're in a crazy snowstorm right now. I think we're expected to get at least 8 inches. And the most annoying part is gonna be like a high of 47 and like a low of 36 in like a day or two. And you know, all this is just gonna melt. Like this happens all the time. It just pounds snow. Like a foot of snow in 24 hours, tons of car accidents, roads are just filled with traffic, all kinds of chaos. And then it all melts the next day. I know that's what's gonna really go down right now. And I go to work in about 3.5 hours. Just really hoping for the best. Right now, I'm probably just gonna chill out here for a bit. Really don't feel like moving around too much. Yeah, for work, the plan is I'm just driving slow as possible. If you order food, you know, you might get it in an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. I really don't know, but I'm not risking my life for some pizza. Just wanted to show you that here in Alaska, even if it is March 29th, even if spring has officially kind of started, that doesn't mean that it can still, that doesn't mean it's not gonna dump a whole bunch. You know, today was the first day that I thought of actually getting my shoes out of my trunk. You know, like honestly, my whole foot was covered. I think almost up to like past my my ankles, and yeah, I just trekked through it. I feel like these are really redesigning my mind. I feel like it's really making me tougher without even having to try. So far, so good. My feet have become so much stronger recently, just wearing the 5 fingers. It's crazy, there's so many muscles in our feet that we don't really use because of the shoes, and then they're so weak when we are walking barefoot. But yeah, it's been a really fun journey. I feel like I've been triggering a lot of people. Everyone's always asking, what are those? What shoes are those? You know, so, you know, that's nice. It's all positive. Yeah, I haven't bumped into anyone else though with 5 fingers yet. I mean, obviously it's definitely not the season for them. I don't know, it'd be cool to see someone else who's extremely diehard about barefoot, even in freezing conditions. Look at that. So it finally stopped snowing, thank goodness. About to go to work. The roads seem a lot more clear and dry, so I'm thankful for that. So I know tonight won't be too bad. Almost done with work. I must say that it did not stop snowing. We were actually just in the eye of the storm when I was about to go to work, so right now it's dumping again, but I'm on my final delivery, and yeah, it's been a crazy 3 hours. I'm glad I was only working 3 hours tonight. Just got off of work. Was a pretty chill 3 hours. Made like 26 bucks in tips. Not too bad. Right now about to go to the grocery store and get some food. My feet are cold and pretty wet, so after I get this food, I'm just gonna dry my 5-finger shoes out, put on some super cold weather socks. Just another typical day in March. Look at this. My feet are soaked. It's barefoot life. Can't give up and put some shoes on. Gotta keep going. I got about 0.6 pounds of some awesome potato wedges. Got a big tub of rice, at least a pound. Right here I got some rice, teriyaki sauce, a whole bunch of hemp seeds and flax seeds. Obviously I would be cooking, but come on, give me a break. It's kind of not the best weather to be cooking outside. So yeah, just gonna eat this food and honestly just chill out. It's like 8:30 right now. Didn't get a chance to make it to the library. Haven't really had a chance to make it to the library in the past 2 days, but it gives me some time to record some content I've been meaning to do, which is nice. Just gonna eat this food and chill out. Still snowing. About to head to my destination to sleep. Overall, I would say it was a good night. It was a pretty good day. You know, I went to work, just caught up on a lot of rest, so no complaints. Just got to get through one more snowstorm. Most of the snow should be on the way to melting the next few days. And yeah, it feels really nice to have survived the craziness of winter. Peace.
I don't want to die.
Give it up.
Why must you kill us?
Because you kill people's children to survive.
But that isn't our fault.
It's not our fault either. However, we're stronger than you are. That's why you're going to die without leaving any spores.